myself, Balasaheb Gadad, a co-founder of Gadad Tutorials, Gadad Education Trust from Dharwad. And we started this institution for the betterment of children. Earlier what happened, only we used to use the whiteboard or a blackboard. So students are not able to understand that clearly. Some students were distracted from the class. So we introduced this IFB panel in our classrooms. Now the distraction level has been reduced. From the IFB, best thing is Edu AI, that is Education Artificial Intelligence. Through that Edu AI, directly we can take the pictures, we can explain the students there only. And one more thing, live class, I loved it very much because just tapping the live class, we can directly access to the students through the app. The student can easily join the classes, and through this we have very good mic system so that there is no disturbance while explaining. The voice will be very clear and the response of the student is very good. When I ordered the panel, each and every moment the Teachmint group has been in contact with me, whether the panel has been reached or not, whether the panel has been installed or not. Such kind of support it will motivate us to believe in this Teachmint. Definitely I would recommend those who wish to they improve their quality of teaching. And one of the best panel, I can say that.